All right, welcome. We're going to start into linear systems. And so before we get into linear systems, I want to do a little bit of just a linear algebra, just a little bit, nothing crazy. But the thing is that there does exist a fundamental relationship between linear algebra and linear differential equations. So let's, not cursive. So there exists a fundamental connection between linear systems. Oh, give me just a second. There exists a fundamental connection between linear systems or linear differential equations and linear algebra. Okay, and I want us to be sort of exploring them at the same time. Okay, so first, let's just say I said this before at some point, but let's take, this is the most fundamental differential equation. So the most fundamental differential equation is y prime equals ky. Okay, and you can solve that, let's say, with y of 0 given to be y0. Okay, and you can solve that just using separation of variables. dy dx equals ky. dy over y equals k dx. Natural log of y equals kx plus c. So y equals e to the kx times y0, or we write it as y of x equals y0 e to the kx. Okay? And so our strategy is that we're going to have something like y prime equals ax, and y of 0 given y0. Now here, this is for linear systems. Okay. Oh, that shouldn't be an x, that should be a y. Okay, and when we're dealing with linear systems, A is not a number now, it's actually a matrix. Okay, still though, our solution is going to be y of x equals e to the ax with a y of 0. Not sure if it's in front or on the other side. We'll figure that out though. Let's put it on the other side. Okay. And we just have to try to make sense of that expression. Okay, so we're still a little bit of ways from going there, but that's the ultimate goal of what we're going to be doing in this sort of combination of chapters 9, 6, and 4. Okay, chapter 4 looks at it from a very sort of base level. Okay, chapter 6 and chapter 9 sort of add the abstraction a little bit. Okay, so that's sort of the direction we're going to go in. Let's go ahead. I'm going to make another video sort of introducing us to a little bit of matrix algebra. Okay.